Welcome to the cloud forest. High above in the mountains of Ecuador exists a place where a rainforest becomes wrapped up in a blanket of clouds almost every day. This is some of the most biodiverse forests in the world. Almost 20,000 species of plants, birds, and mammals live in Ecuador, and many live nowhere else. But it's all at risk. Ecuador has one of the highest deforestation rates in the world. And without immediate conservation efforts, many of the animal species here will be extinct in the next 40 years. We decided we needed to do something, and Cambogan Foundation was formed. Our foundation is trying to work with local people to slow down deforestation. We educate communities about green development. We work with farmers to offer land management and sustainable farming solutions. We teach children about conservation because we know they'll teach their parents. And we buy land at risk of being deforested just to protect it. These magnificent trees and animals need our help, and we can't exist without them. We know many of you want to help the Earth and just don't know how. It only takes a small effort to make a big impact on the planet. Please reach out to us, and together we can make a difference.